Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to Top 7, your ultimate guide to the best of everything. Today, we're taking a delicious journey through the streets of India to bring you the top 7 street foods that will tantalize your taste buds. India is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. It's a place where every street corner is a symphony of aromas and every bite is an explosion of flavor. We're talking about food so damn good, it'll make you want more and more, but it won't ever be enough. Ready to get your foodie adventure on? Let's dig in. 7. Pani Puri. Starting off with a bang, we have Pani Puri. These little beauties are like nothing you've ever tasted before. Imagine this, crispy, hollow puris, fried to golden perfection, just begging to be filled. And what do you fill them with? A spicy, tangy water that'll clear your sinuses and wake up your taste buds. Then you've got potatoes and chickpeas for texture and a bit of heartiness. It's like an explosion of flavors in your mouth, a symphony of spices that'll have you begging for more. One bite and you'll be hooked. Just make sure you have plenty of napkins. 6. Vada Pav. Next up, we're heading to the bustling streets of Mumbai for the legendary Vada Pav. Forget your fancy burgers, this is the real deal. Picture this, a spicy potato fritter, deep fried until it's golden and crispy, nestled inside a soft, fluffy bun. But wait, there's more. We're talking about chutneys, my friend, tangy and spicy, slathered on top for an extra kick. It's Mumbai's answer to the burger, but with a spicy twist that'll have you coming back for more. Honestly, this is the kind of food that makes you want to lick the plate clean. Don't be shy, we've all been there. 5. Chole Bhature. Now we're heading north for a taste of the classics. This is Chole Bhature, a dish that's as comforting as a warm hug. Imagine fluffy deep-fried bread so light and airy, it practically melts in your mouth. And what do you pair with this cloud of goodness? A spicy chickpea curry that'll set your soul on fire. We're talking bold flavors, fragrant spices, the kind of curry that makes you want to lick the bowl clean. It's a hearty meal that's perfect for any time of day. Just be prepared for a food coma afterwards. It's that good. 4. Dosa. Let's head south now, to the land of dosas. These crispy, savory delights are like nothing you've ever seen before. Think of them as giant, thin crepes made from fermented rice and lentil batter. They're crispy on the edges, soft in the middle, and absolutely massive. And the fillings? Oh, the fillings. We're talking about spicy potato mixtures, tangy chutneys and sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew. It's a flavor combination that'll blow your mind. Breakfast, lunch or dinner dosas are always a great idea. 3. Kathi Roll. Next stop, Kolkata, the home of the Kathi Roll. This is Indian street food at its finest. Portable, delicious, and utterly addictive. Imagine a flaky paratha, cooked to perfection on a hot griddle, and then filled with whatever your heart desires. We're talking about spiced meats, sizzling vegetables, tangy chutneys, and sometimes even a fried egg for good measure. It's a flavor explosion wrapped up in a convenient package. One bite and you'll understand why they're so popular. 2. Pav Bhaji. Back to Mumbai now for a taste of pure comfort food. Pav Bhaji is one of those dishes that just warms your soul. Imagine a rich, spicy vegetable mash cooked to perfection with a blend of aromatic spices. And what do you eat it with? Buttery toasted buns, of course. You dip the pav in the bhaji, mop up all that delicious sauce, and you're in food heaven. The rich, spicy flavors of the bhaji paired with the soft, buttery pav will make you a fan for life. Just don't forget the extra butter. 1. Samosa. And finally, taking the top spot, samosas. These little pockets of joy are a global phenomenon, and for good reason. Imagine a crispy golden pastry fried to perfection and filled with a savory spicy filling. We're talking about potatoes, peas, onions, and sometimes even minced meat. It's a flavor combination that's impossible to resist. Whether you're at a street stall or a fancy restaurant, samosas are always a hit. It's the ultimate street food snack that you just can't resist. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 street foods in India. We've traveled from the bustling streets of Mumbai to the spicy heart of Kolkata. And let me tell you, Indian street food is in a league of its own. It's a symphony of flavors, a carnival for your taste buds, and an experience you won't soon forget. We hope this video made your mouth water and inspired your next food adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your favorite street food in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious content. What should we cover next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is short, so eat your heart out